Hey everyone, if Snapchat isn't letting you save snaps in chat, you're not alone and most of the time, it's not a bug. Snapchat's save feature only works under specific conditions, and understanding those rules makes fixing the issue much easier. Normally, the save option appears when you press and hold on a message, photo, or video inside a chat. If that option is missing or not working, there's usually a clear reason behind it. The most common cause is sender control settings. Snapchat is built around privacy, so the person who sends the snap decides whether it can be saved. If a video snap is set to play once, it cannot be saved. Only videos set to loop can be saved in chat. For photo snaps, if the sender uses a 110-second timer, saving is blocked. The sender must set the snap to no time limit for saving to be allowed. In many cases, you'll need to ask the sender to change these settings. If sender settings aren't the issue, check your own app setup. Make sure Snapchat is updated, confirm that photos and videos permissions are enabled on your phone, and verify your memory's saved destination inside Snapchat settings. Android users should also clear the app cache. If problems continue, reinstall the app and check chat settings to ensure Keep Snaps in Chat is enabled. These steps fix most saving issues quickly.